Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now here I am at Michael's walking through one of my favorite sections, so come on with me guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now, if you enjoy a lot of home life, so I do cooking, I do cleaning, I do shop with me's and hauls. If you enjoy this type of content, then this is the channel for you. So make sure and subscribe to the channel and click that like button and full watch the video and even share the video because this helps me to grow. And then commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. I absolutely love this aisle of Michael's. It has a lot of Paris themes, a lot of vintage theme, I believe. It just has so many beautiful items. I can't get out of this aisle. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.